Hi, it's Darren here, the Very Creative Vegan, outside one of the best chip shops in Glastonbury. It's been established since 1909, and one of the good things is if you're a vegan, chips. I mean, I'm from Liverpool, so I'm practically 90% chip. I had so many as a kid, but finding a really good chip shop that doesn't use animal fat to fry them in is a great thing. And we love chips. I love chips, and if you're a vegan, you're going to eat lots of them. So enjoy your chips. I'm in my hometown of Glastonbury, and that's the Glastonbury town crier behind me. I'm hoping he's going to kick in at any minute to tell you the news of what's going on in Glastonbury, so you can hear that. Huge amount of news about vegan stories, and you know, it's exciting to see them. Most of them are positive, a lot of them are challenging, but it's great to see that veganism is well and truly here in 2019, and there's a lot to cry about. And so let's see if our town crier is going to say something soon.
Oh yeah! Citizens of Glastonbury and visitors from my town, from near and afar, let it be known to all ye good people here gathered that today the Glastonbury Body Art Festival takes place in the Glastonbury Town Hall. This year's theme is gods and goddesses. God save the Queen!
Here's a delicious vegan treat if you've ever tried it. So just get a bag of fresh kale from the supermarket, stick it in an oven tray, cover it in coconut oil, stick it till it's crispy and dried up, and then add some salt or some vegan flakes, and it looks like this. That's Oscar there, he's hanging around, aren't you, boy? You like the and it tastes like this. Oh. Right, the best green crispy crisps you've ever eaten in your life. Crispy kale. And I'm with the lovely Chrissy, the founder of crazybean.com, on this month of Veganuary. So she's going to tell you briefly about what crazybean.com is right now.
Crazybean.com is an online marketplace for vegan products for buying and selling.
And it's awesome, and if you're a vendor, you can sign up right away. It takes about half an hour, and also if you want to buy some vegan products, it's the place to go. So crazy-bean.com is the name of the website, and this lady is behind it and she rocks. So that's today's tip from the Very Creative Vegan. It's a nice calm evening. You can see the lovely London Eye behind me, and if you live in London, you'll be in a great place to find so many awesome vegan restaurants. You can check them out online to see. There's great ones in Soho, in Brixton, in the East End. And London is really embracing veganism, which is great to see. And it's one of the key cities in the world that is doing that. So tell me, what is your favourite vegan restaurant in London? Which ones you visit and why you like them? And I'm outside Wasabi, and they do some pretty awesome vegan dishes. You get the umami peas, and they do awesome vegan tofu, and they do a great hot noodle tofu curry, and you know, really awesome vegan food. And so I'd recommend, when you're eating out, check out one of these places. Really good food. And I am on top of Glastonbury Tor with the famous Tor behind me, on an absolutely beautiful, crystal clear, sunny, blue sky day. And today is my birthday. It's my 50th birthday, and it's a new chapter of my new life. And I'm so glad I've been blessed with lovely weather today to come up here and give you today's message. I think we're all at a time now, globally, where many changes are happening. There are many shifts in consciousness. There are many old systems that are basically hanging on by the fingernails that are dying. And I think it's one of the key times in civilization where each of us individually and all of us together can make a huge difference to one another, to the lives of others, and the lives of the planet. So I feel a great deal of hope and gratitude for being alive at this time, for what we can accomplish. And There's so much we can complain about. There's so many things we can keep pointing. There's so many politicians, presidents, people that we can keep criticizing. But at the end of the day, that doesn't really get us anywhere. We have to work together. We have to come up with solutions. We have to accept and respect that people have different beliefs to us, and that we all have to work together on this one planet together to create the best planet that we can, not just for us, but for future generations. And I, for one, I'm going to contribute to that as much as I possibly can in my own life on a daily basis and in my new business. It's one of the things I really care about now. It's one of the things I want to share with others. And also, I don't want to do it with some sense of superiority or righteousness or anger or resentment. That doesn't work. We can see where that brings us, and I don't want to work from that space. So this is the 17th day of Veganuary. It's my 50th birthday. I'm happy to be alive again. Thanks for everybody that's supported me up to this point, friends and family, new people that know me, new clients that I'm working with. I feel very blessed and excited to be here on this day. Please like the page, Veganorb. That's the name of the page that I put these updates on. And basically it's a vegan news channel, you know, for news today that's going to give us a healthier tomorrow. So any likes to the page would be really appreciated. And I'm going to be putting up a lot of inspiring and thought-provoking content this year. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. Today I want to briefly talk about how much vegan is vegan. There's a lot of people online that's saying, you know, if you eat avocados, you're not vegan because they're pollinated by bees, which is true. But the fact is, bees pollinate absolutely dozens of fruits that we eat, and without the bees, we wouldn't have half the fruits we have in the world, and it's very important that we look after them. And the bee population right now is in dire straits. We hear stories every day, and to say that basically people that call vegans out for not being fully vegan miss the point entirely. You know, being a vegan is about ethical living. It's about being kind to others. It's about being as conscious of one's living in terms of what one consumes as can be. And, you know, I still drive a CRV that has leather seats when I bought it. I will sell the car at some point and get rid of it. But right now, I'm accepting that that's the car. It has leather seats. I don't have to get rid of it right away because I'm a vegan. And I'm conscious of that. I'm conscious that I don't buy any more leather goods. I don't buy leather shoes anymore. I will never buy any more leather goods. And that cuts through to everything that I purchase now. My behavior previously, when I wasn't a vegan, was unconscious at times. I didn't know what I was buying, and now I'm adapting. And I think it's different for everybody, and I think it's important we all celebrate the fact that we are trying our best with limits sometimes, and it's not really about trying to be 100% vegan, you know, and really pushing that point. It's great for the people that really are extremely vegan, but again, it's about the ism. Let's get away from the ism and let's embrace what veganism is about. Fundamentally, it's about caring, it's about conscious living, it's about having less of an impact on animals, ourselves and the planet. And that is a great thing. In my hometown of Glastonbury, at my favourite vegan cafe, Excalibur. So if you do visit Glastonbury, you have to come here because they do the best coffee in Somerset. It's called Immortal, and they do amazing sweets and just the best food. You know, I moved here 3 years ago, and this literally opened up like the next week, so I was thrilled that this was here. I spend a lot of time here, spend a lot of money. The staff are amazing. So when you're in Glastonbury, say hi to everyone and hope you enjoy it. One of our rabbits, Peter Cooper, is a bit knotty, so he's having a hairbrush day. No. And rabbits love blueberries, and blueberries are a great staple diet of goodness if you're a vegan, to have on your breakfast or just have them on their own. Check, Peter Cooper likes them. Oh yeah. Sorry, if you can guarantee if a the ultimate vegan Arabic, can like blueberries, then they're good for us. And I haven't talked about chocolate yet, and I'm going to today because it's a great thing. We love chocolate, and if you're a vegan you can still eat chocolate that doesn't have milk in, and one of the best brands out there, for those of you who know the secrets, is Bouja Bouja, and they do an amazing vegan ice cream as well as the most amazing chocolates, and they are a treat, that's for sure. So Peter Cooper can't have one of these, but I'm definitely going to have one. And that's kicked in, that chocolate. Bye from me until tomorrow, and goodbye from Peter Cooper.